Okay, this is just a quick video of everything that I think is wrong with the car. If you're interested in buying it and are serious, then you would come and look at it and you would spot these things immediately. So I'm just going to go over them quick. The windshield has a circular shaped crack right in the center. It's nothing that causes a problem. It's a little wet because it just rained here. It's nothing that causes a problem with inspection, but it's something you might want to replace. The hood alignment to the fender, I don't know if you can see it that well in this picture, but there's a little bit of an issue where this hood is a little bit high right here. I'm sure a decent body man could probably work that out. The tachometer does not work. It's not running, so you can't see, but if you look at the other video, you'll see that. Well, this little panel sometimes falls down when you pull that thing, so you gotta watch it. The coil is not the original coil. The previous owner replaced the coil, and so if you look at original Celicas of this era, you'll see there's some different parts to it. I have all the old parts, so if you want to restore it to original, you can do that. The battery is a little short, so there's a block of wood lifting it up. The passenger side door needs a window regulator. I'm not going to roll it down because the window will get all disaligned and I won't be able to shut the door. So you need to take apart that door, address whatever is wrong with the regulator. It may need to be replaced. Also on the passenger side, there is a small tear in the seat. It's at the stitching. An interior person may be able to deal with that. And then here you can see a couple of these threads are loose. I've owned the car for a couple of years, and I kind of think that the person who owned it before me had seat coverings on these. They're in really good shape, but there are those minor rips. And then aside from that, there's just, you know, the paint is not perfect. It's the original paint on the car, so you'll see you know, little chips, like especially in the nose. If you can see this here, it's been done over with touch-up paint, so there's little chips like that. Otherwise, it's fairly complete. That's the only things that I know of that are wrong with the car. Thank you.